This is the Big Lots in Carle Place, New York. Here are the restrooms. Let's see what they got. Men's room's over here. Oh, come on! But hey, at least it's in white. This was made last year in 2020. And this is a zinc cover. I think we used to have an older Xlerator in this restroom. Also, before the older Xlerator was installed, we used to have a Dayton version of the Royal Dry Model A, but they remodeled the restroom, so now we have this Xlerator. It was pretty powerful. That's the only good thing about it.